Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Daily House. I'm absolutely thrilled you're joining me today for this gorgeous full farmhouse home tour inspired by Pottery Barn's timeless aesthetic. If you're ready to transform your space into a cozy autumn haven with whitewashed wood and layers of seasonal charm, you're in for a treat. Before we dive into all these stunning design ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps our design community grow. Drop a comment below telling me your favorite full decorating tip. Let's start with that all-important curb appeal, because your home's exterior sets the tone for everything inside. The classic farmhouse facade combines crisp white or cream siding with natural wood accents. Think board and batten details or cedar shutters and weathered finishes. For fall, we're adding warmth with copper tone planters filled with burgundy mums, ornamental kale, and trailing ivy. A vintage wooden ladder against the porch displays pumpkins in varying heights, while a simple burlap bow on your front door creates that perfect Pottery Barn-inspired welcome that says come on and stay a while. Your entryway is where farmhouse functionality truly shines, and full gives us the perfect excuse to layer in cozy textures. Start with a reclaimed wood coat rack or wall-mounted hooks in distressed finishes, Pottery Barn's signature look. Below, place a rustic bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage. A vintage-style mirror with a weathered frame reflects light and makes the space feel larger. Layer a jute rug with a smaller patterned runner in autumn tones like rust or deep gold. Don't forget a ceramic bowl for keys and a small wooden tray for daily essentials. The farmhouse living room is all about comfortable elegance, and fall is when this style truly comes alive. Start with a neutral sectional, think linen or canvas in cream or soft gray, then layer in full magic with throw pillows in plaid, houndstooth, or rich velvet in burnt orange and deep burgundy. A chunky knit throw draped casually over one arm adds instant coziness. Your coffee table, preferably reclaimed wood or whitewashed oak, gets styled with a wooden dough bowl filled with mini pumpkins, pinnacones, and battery-operated string lights for that magical autumn glow. The farmhouse dining room celebrates both everyday meals and special gatherings, making it perfect for fall entertaining. Your dining table, ideally a substantial wood piece with visible grain, becomes the star with layered linens in natural textures. Start with a burlap table runner, add woven placemats, and top with cream or warm gray napkins tied with twine. A wooden tray centerpiece holds varying heights of candles in glass hurricane holders. Surrounded by many white pumpkins and sprigs of eucalyptus, mason jars filled with seasonal branches complete this effortlessly elegant tablescape that's pure Pottery Barn magic. The farmhouse kitchen blends practicality with charm, and full decorating here should feel natural and lived in. Open shelving displays white stoneware mixed with wooden cutting boards and vintage copper pieces. Your island or counters get full touches through a wooden bowl filled with gourds, a small potted herb garden with rosemary and thyme, and a vintage-style coffee station complete with a small espresso machine and wooden accessories. See Abinet hardware and aged brass or black iron maintains that authentic farmhouse feel, while a subway tile backsplash keeps everything fresh and bright against the seasonal warmth. Your family room should feel like the ultimate cozy retreat where everyone wants to gather for movie nights and casual conversations. Position your sectional to face both the fireplace and flat-screen TV, creating a conversation area that works for any occasion. Layer in full comfort with oversized floor pillows in rich textures, a vintage ladder displaying cozy throughs, and side tables made from reclaimed wood or whitewashed oak. String lights draped round windows or a long built-in shelving add that magical ambience, while seasonal garland across the mantle brings nature indoors in the most beautiful way. Creating a home office within your farmhouse aesthetic means balancing productivity with cozy charm. Choose a writing desk in weathered wood or whitewashed finish, paired with a comfortable upholstered chair in neutral linen. A small vintage radio adds character while providing background music for work sessions. Your desk accessories should be both beautiful and functional. Think a small wooden clock, ceramic pencil holder, and a brass desk lamp. Wall-mounted shelves display books, small plants, and seasonal touches like mini pumpkins or autumn leaves in glass vessels for inspiration during work hours. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook where you can escape with a good book and a warm cup of tea. Position a comfortable wingback chair in cream or soft gray near a window for natural light, with a small side table for your coffee mug, and current red. A floor lamp with a burlap shade provides evening illumination, while a soft throw blanket in plaid or cable knit ensures maximum coziness. A small bookshelf or wall-mounted ledges display your favorite reads alongside small, seasonal decorations like pinnacones, battery-operated candles, and small potted plants for that perfect autumn ambience. The farmhouse bedroom should feel like a peaceful retreat, and full decorating here focuses on layering cozy textures and warm colors. Your bed becomes the focal point with crisp white sheets as the base, topped with a chunky knit blanket in cream or soft gray, and accent pillows in seasonal patterns like buffalo check or subtle florals. A weathered wood headboard or simple iron frame maintains that authentic farmhouse feel. Bedside tables in distressed finishes hold ceramic lamps with burlap shades, while a vintage wooden ladder displays extra throws and serves as unique wall art. Even your farmhouse bathroom can embrace full charm while maintaining that clean, spa-like feel. Install floating shelves in reclaimed wood to display rolled towels, small potted plants, and seasonal candles in glass holders. Your vanity area gets autumn touches through a wooden tray holding everyday essentials, a small vase with dried wheat or eucalyptus, and soap dispensers in ceramic or amber glass. A vintage-style mirror with a weathered frame reflects light beautifully, while a small wooden stool adds both function and farmhouse character. Keep colors neutral with warm wood tones and crisp whites. Don't forget that your garage can embrace farmhouse style too, especially if it's attached or visible from your main living areas. Install wooden pegboards for tool storage. Use galvanized metal buckets for organizing smaller items, and add open shelving and reclaimed wood for seasonal decorations and storage. A vintage wooden workbench serves multiple purposes, while string lights along the ceiling create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Even your storage solutions can be beautiful. Think wicker baskets, wooden crates, and metal containers that look intentional rather than cluttered. This space becomes an extension of your home's overall aesthetic. Your farmhouse patio should feel like an outdoor living room where you can enjoy crisp fall evenings. Start with comfortable seating, perhaps a wooden bench with weather-resistant cushions in neutral tones. Paired with metal chairs in distressed finishes, a fire pit becomes the centerpiece for gathering, surrounded by additional seating and side tables made from tree stumps or weathered wood. String lights overhead create magical ambience, while planters filled with fall flowers, ornamental grasses, and trailing ivy bring natural beauty. A wooden serving cart holds seasonal refreshments and doubles as decorative storage. The secret to perfect fall farmhouse decorating lies in understanding color harmony and layering warm, earthy tones with classic neutrals. Your base palette should include creamy whites, soft grays, and natural wood tones, then layer in seasonal accents like burnt orange, deep burgundy, golden yellow, and rich brown. These colors should appear throughout your home in varying intensities. Perhaps a bold burnt orange throw pillow balanced by subtle copper accessories. The key is restraint. Let neutral tones dominate while seasonal colors provide warming accents that can easily transition as seasons change. Farmhouse style thrives on texture variation, and fall is the perfect time to explore this design principle. Mix smooth ceramic pieces with rough-hewn wood, soft wear-upon throws with crisp linen, and weathered metals with natural fibers. Layer different textile weights, perhaps a lightweight cotton throw topped with a chunky wool blanket, or smooth leather mixed with nubby burlap. This layering technique, called textural contrast in design circles, creates visual depth and tactile interest that makes spaces feel rich and inviting. Each texture should complement rather than compete, creating harmony through diversity. Proper lighting transforms your farmhouse from simply decorated to truly atmospheric, especially during fall's shorter days. Layer your lighting with overhead fixtures like wrought iron chandeliers or pendant lights with Edison bulbs, table lamps with fabric or burlap shades, and accent lighting through candles and string lights. This approach, called ambient lighting design, ensures your space feels warm and welcoming at any hour. Battery-operated candles and lanterns provide safe accent lighting, while dimmer switches allow you to adjust brightness for different activities and moods throughout your autumn evenings. You don't need unlimited funds to achieve this gorgeous Pottery barn-inspired farmhouse look. Focus your budget on key foundational pieces like a quality dining table or comfortable sectional. Then fill in with budget-friendly accessories from thrift stores, flea markets, and discount retailers that project like distressing furniture, creating your own throw pillows. Or crafting seasonal garland can save money while adding personal touches. Look for natural materials like wood, metal, and linen in any price range. The texture and material matter more than the brand name for achieving authentic farmhouse style. Smart seasonal decorating means creating a base that works through multiple seasons with simple accent changes. Your neutral furniture and major decor pieces should remain constant, while smaller accessories, throw pillows, and seasonal displays can be updated as needed. For fall, this might mean swapping summer's fresh greenery for autumn branches, changing bright throw pillows to warmer tones, and adding candles for cozier lighting. This approach, known as transitional decorating, keeps your space fresh and seasonal without requiring complete room makeovers, making it both budget-friendly and practical. Maintaining your farmhouse fall decor should be simple and stress-free. Choose natural materials that age beautifully. Weatherwood becomes more characterful over time, and quality linens improve with each wash. Establish simple cleaning routines like weekly dusting of wooden surfaces with appropriate oil-based cleaners, rotating throw pillow covers for even wear, and refreshing seasonal displays with new natural elements like fresh branches or pinnacones. Invest in storage solutions for off-season decorations, using labeled bins and cedar sachets to protect textiles. This proactive approach keeps your space looking magazine-ready year-round. While we've drawn inspiration from Pottery Barn's classic farmhouse aesthetic, remember that the best homes reflect their owners' personalities and lifestyles. Use these ideas as a foundation. Then add personal touches through family photos and rustic frames, collections displayed on open shelving, or handmade items that tell your story. Perhaps incorporate vintage pieces inherited from family, artwork from local artisans, or plants you've successfully grown. This personalization transforms a beautiful space into a true home that feels authentically yours while maintaining that coveted farmhouse charm. Thank you so much for joining me on this cozy fall farmhouse tour. I hope you're feeling inspired to create your own autumn sanctuary using these Pottery barn-inspired ideas with whitewashed wood and aired textures. Remember, great design isn't about perfection. It's about creating spaces that make you and your loved ones feel comfortable and happy. Start with one room or even one corner, and build your farmhouse style gradually over time. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped spark some ideas. And comment below with your favorite farmhouse fall tip. I love hearing from our amazing design community.